Caught her. Yo, caught her crying in the corner with the lights out. Lights out.
Hey guys. Also, we just landed in Dubai. Shit. Hey guys, so we just landed in Dubai and now Kyla and I are going to explore the airport. Follow us.
I need to be a light you can see. Lighthouse, lighthouse. Hold up. What you about? Where you came from? Or who you came with?
So, we've been walking for 5 minutes with no certain destination. Wie nennt man das? Nicht Escalator.
Schon. Doch.
Hey, so since we're traveling to the Philippines, I decided that I would like to challenge myself and start just talking in Tagalog as much as possible while we're there. And she has to join me. Yeah. And there are times I have to speak Taglish because I'm not fluent in Tagalog, so yeah. Sorry, bulok po ang Tagalog ko. And you can obviously hear my accent, hear our accents.
Same.
Yeah. See ya.
Stay silent, so I backed out with the same crew that I came with. Such a beautiful thief, take a piece of my peace of mind. I never came for nothing but to kick it with her. I would wait in line, give her all 9 lives, cause if I jump for her, I know I land on my feet, right. Perfect like this flow, just for this beat, right. I couldn't sleep last night like I broke up, but it was all for the opposite. Send a prayer for her, ask him to bring her back if she is who I thought she is. I mean, she gotta be right. I couldn't sleep last night, things can't be right. I just wanna be the light, like. Come on, baby.
Yo. Sagst nochmal, was ist das? Nein, Asian Invasion.
Asian Invasion.
Okay, das war... Okay. Here's the What's up? Nandito pa kami sa Dubai.
Das, oder? Warte, was?
Oh, okay, the Junge ist vor mir. Oh gosh. Okay, nasa... Okay, it's... So, 2:30. Es ist so awkward. Der Junge ist vor uns. First meal sa Philippines. Sarap.
Yes!
Nang, sorry! Sorry!
Uy! Ano sorry? Hindi ka nagsasalita! Ano? Sabi ko lang, hindi ka nagsasalita! Sabi ko!
Wala ko nandiyan kayo dito!
Sabi ko
Sir!
na!
Sir, sorry! Ayaw ko na!
Dito na kami titira sa Jollibee! Sabi ko dun sa...
Sorry, sir!
CJ, dito pa kami!
Ma, ang akala ko kasi, ma. Papunta na kami.
Ba't hindi kayo nagsalita? Ba't hindi kayo nagsalita? Ha?
Sabi ko nung...
Kala ko po iikot lang kasi bawal.
Ba't ang layo na narating ko?
sa akin.
Nainit mo pampaga!
Babalik tayo. Ano sabi mo? Babalik tayo. Hindi na. Diretso tayo next. Kuya! Mga dayong kasama natin, naiwan yata.
Ano sabi mo, CJ? Ay, wala pa ba dito?
Wala pa dito.
Nakita kita kanina dito sa side mirror.
Nakita mo ako, pero hindi ako
Magandang umaga! Umpisa na natin ang pangalawang araw. Geng, geng, geng.
Hold up, hold up. I promise if you dance with me, I'm gonna stop you. The line, you know the clerk, please.
Para sa mga oldies.
And 4 glazed donuts.
Sorry?
4 glazed donuts.
For Tony's donut.
Yes po.
Dapat may mukha siya dun.
Wala siyang mukha. Yahan mo na siya.
Siya nakita siya dun.
Oh man, look. So I'm at the store in the line, you know the clerk bleeping. I know it's her in the line, I fall behind, but this time a little less defense. So you know me. Let me check my breath, let me check my mind. She in front of me, so she must be mine, she gotta be mine. My total red blah dog, man, I don't even know. Man, I just know I had to sleep, I was skipping beats. Her chick, though. So I smiled at her, she smiled back, but hers is different. Her heart was there, but not in the smile. I could tell something was different, but I ain't tripping. Some days I'll be tripping, overthinking. She stepped aside, start speaking first. I couldn't believe it. Her finger blinking said she was flattered, but last night was just a rough night. So she got a man, they got ups and downs. She plans to die by his side, and I'm like, alright. But I can't let this beat go to waste though. But I still gotta dance though.